hard. Yay, thank you mommy for my Labubu that I finally got a Labubu. And so we're gonna do the Labubu unboxing.
There's another one in the mail.
Ooh, yay, I hope I get, I kind of want luck. I kind of want the purple one. These are all of the options. Labubu, you're my Labubu. Oh. Unboxing fail. Like, no, it's because you're supposed to pull this tab and I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, now. It's fail-proof actually. Or whatever you call it. Oh my goodness, the bag is so cute too. With the strings. Big into energy. Ooh, okay, let's do this. It's a pink one! Ooh. So cute. Wait, which one is it? It's Loyalty. No, it's like peach actually. It's that one I think. Oh, she's perfect. I was gonna say I wanted a pink one or a purple one. Oh, I love my Labubu. He's so cute.
Smaller than pink.
Look at my Labubu. He might want it. He loves stuffies, that's why. Oh, it's so nice. It's actually so high quality too. I love it. Thank you, mommy. Oh, my Labubu. And people put clothes on their Labubus too. Oh, you can make my Labubu clothes. Custom Labubu clothes. I love it. Yeah, it's much bigger. The other one's like teeny. I just opened Deacon's present. Show everybody, Deacon. Show everyone. Show the people.
Sit.
On the internet.
Sit up so you can see it.
Show them. Yeah, look over here. You look handsome. You look handsome in your Christmas sweater. Okay, I think there's something else in there for you too that mommy put. What's in here? Too bad I missed the shot of him opening the tissue paper though. Another bling for my little boy. More bling for Deacon. Okay, that's all. You tired? He's like, this is what you woke me up for. Yeah, I'm so excited to open presents together. Oh, you're so handsome and sweet. Oh, you look so sweet. You look so handsome. Come. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Deacon in his Christmas sweater that I made and crocheted. He looks so handsome. Are you my little Dobby boy? Are you wearing your Hogwarts sweater? It was some Hogwarts yarn.
Oh.
That someone like gave me leftovers of.
Hogwarts.
Like it was like, you know, literally like, you know how they have like Wicked themed stuff? They had like a Harry Potter themed yarn with like the Hogwarts or the, what is it, Gryffindor color. You little Harry Potter, but he looks like Dobby, so I thought, it's perfect. He looks like Dobby with his ears, right? You're a little Dobby. You're a free elf. You're my free elf. In case you can see the screen. Recording. Oh, you look handsome. I want to take a picture of you like that in your sweater. It looks good. Oh, good boy. He loves taking pictures, actually, you know. He's very photogenic. Alright, Merry Christmas, everyone! Some of your sweater! I love it! Do you love your sweater? Oh my goodness, you're my little doggy boy. You're so cute. I love ya.